because this took me 2 days of research and 2 days of digging my closet. Hey guys, this is Harshala and welcome back to my channel. Yesterday I asked you guys on my Instagram what video should I film next, and so many of you guys said that you guys would be interested in watching Shein and Alternatives. Even I think as soon as the whole Shein ban happened, I got so many DMs from you guys, and I understand why, because since the ban I think all of us have been so foggy and we don't understand where to shop from and what to shop for. So yeah, it only made sense for me to sit down and speak to you guys about it. Now, if I have to be completely honest with you guys, I don't think that we have, like, India has a lot of like fashionable and trendy brands, and that's why I think it's time for like Indian brands to tap on this opportunity and just showcase that potential and just come out, because there's a lot of market. So I feel like people are like actually looking forward to like Indian brands and uplifting the whole Indian market. Having said that, I'm still going to share my 2 cents with you guys and what do I think, which brands that you should shop from and everything. So without further ado, let's just actually jump right in. The very first store that I'm going to be mentioning is Zara and also H&M. I've mentioned this in my couple of other videos as well. Whatever or most of the things that you saw on Shein were rip-offs of Zara and H&M. But the reason why people went to Shein is because Shein provided similar pieces at a much cheaper rate. And if you look at Zara and H&M, they are costlier. But if you buy those things from Zara and H&M, I am pretty sure you wouldn't regret it, because the quality is amazing. Like, you wouldn't compromise on the quality, and that would like last you for a longer period of time than any Shein garment would. So you should definitely check out Zara. I have mentioned this pehle bhi, and again I'm telling you, Zara basics are to die for. Definitely check out Zara for their basics. You wouldn't find such basics anywhere. Another reason why I like Zara is for the bottom wear. Now, I was never a fan of Shein bottom wear any which ways, and Zara, oh my god, they make some amazing jeans and amazing bottom wear. They are a little expensive, but be on a lookout for their sales, because when Zara goes on sale, I mean, because recently only I saw these pants that were for $7.90 and the other ones for like $9.90, which is pretty cheap if you look at it, like look at the brand and where it's coming from. Now, talking about H&M, again, I love their sale pieces. I also like their basics, not as much as Zara, but I still like them, and they're pretty again, you find pretty trendy and fashionable clothes at H&M as well, so you can do that. So as I said, if you're looking at Shein Alternatives, when it comes to their pieces, like exact similar pieces or same or something that comes close to Shein pieces, then you should definitely check out Zara and H&M. They're pretty good. Price point can be a little higher, but again, quality is going to be amazing. So yeah. Now, next 2 shops that I'm going to be mentioning are the shops that you'll find in the malls. I really like their quality. One is Project Eve and the second one is Cover Story. Cover Story is like really expensive, but the pieces that they have are so good. So if you can, definitely check that out. Next up, we have online stores, that is Myntra and Ajio. Now, I'm just going to name few brands that I personally like on Myntra, and whenever I'm on Myntra, these are the only brands, like this is how I shop when I'm on Myntra or even on Ajio. I'll look up these brands, I'll filter it from low to high, and I'll see the pieces, and if I like something within the range that I'm looking for, like maybe till 1,000 rupees, if I like something, then that's great. If it exceeds 1,000, it depends on like what occasion am I shopping for, but like 1,000 ke upar I don't usually spend. But yeah, I'm a little confused like that, and this is how I like to shop. So these are the brands that I check out on Myntra. The first one is All About You, which is by Deepika. The pieces I wouldn't say are like very fashionable pieces, but I really like few. If I were to shop like neutral colors, I think she does it really, her brand does it really well. Like muted colors, like muted mints, muted browns, whites, I really like it. And I also really like kurtis and stuff on there, so you can check out that. Second one is, I really cannot pronounce it. It's, wait, let me just, It's Veni Vidi Vici. They have some like really nice funky looking necklines, and also I really like the patterns and just the silhouettes that they have on there, so you can definitely check it out. You wouldn't regret it. It's quite affordable. Again, as I said, the range goes from like 400 and above, like maybe till 700. Another brand that I really like on Myntra is Tokyo Talkies. I think earlier when they started out I did not really like them, and now I think they're really upping their game. So they have some really good trendy looking funky pieces. So if you want, definitely check out. Like the other day I saw this really beautiful tie-dye dress, and I saw something similar. I had seen something similar on Shein, which I was actually going to order it for my birthday. Thank God I did not, because it got banned. But so again, Tokyo Talkies is something that you can check. And another thing that I think you find it only on Myntra is Forever 21. I think काफी malls में they have been shut now. So I don't understand why did that happen, because Forever 21 was like such a rave and everyone spoke so highly about the brand, and I honestly really liked the brand. I mean, I really liked the pieces that they had. I wouldn't really say that Forever 21 is affordable. Like yesterday only I was checking it out on Myntra, and I did not think that it's affordable, because the prices are still high. Could be because everywhere else they have shut, and probably because of that, but I don't know, whatever it is. I think Forever 21 has pretty good things, but it's still like even during the sale it's on the pricier side. So yeah, now talking about another brand which I just discovered on Myntra. I think it's called Cat Iron. I'm not too sure. You wouldn't find the most, I mean, there aren't a lot of colors on there, but I still like how they stick to their basics, and I haven't really tried it. Like I haven't worn the clothes, so I don't know if they are good quality clothes or no, but with what I saw, I really like the patterns that they had, and also their basics are really nice, so you can check that out as well. Like I really like the off-shoulder one shoulder tops that they had, which is pretty good. Now talking about few brands that I love on Ajio. The first and my most favorite brand that I absolutely love is Tally. I think it's a German brand, but I love their pieces. It is, and also I've tried so many things. Like I've tried their bottom wear, I've tried their skirts, I've tried and their tops. I love them all. Again, check out this brand during the sale. You wouldn't regret it. You'll find a lot of pieces at really cheap prices, so you should definitely check out this brand. I love their quality. The quality is bang on. Like I remember these one pants that I got from Forever 21, and I also got like exact same pants from Tally. I don't know how to pronounce that brand, guys, but yeah, as I was saying, I got these pants from both these websites, and oh my god, I have to tell you, like Tally, whatever, such a good brand, such well-made clothes, and they know what they're doing. That's what I would say. Like it's my absolute favorite brand on Ajio. Next brand that I like on Ajio is Rio. Again, something that I discovered this time while I was shopping on there. And also, like if you haven't watched my Ajio haul, I think you should watch it, so you'll get a better idea on what brands to shop for, since I have mentioned the brands as well. Another brand that I really like is People. They make some amazing basics, and they are just too good, and they really know what they're doing. So yeah, definitely check out that as well. Another website that I used to shop a lot from is Cooves. Now I've stopped shopping from them. I don't know why, but back in the day I remember, oh my god, Cooves was my favorite store. I think they still do pretty good things. I also really like the price point that they have. It's not too expensive. It's pretty good, something that you can easily afford. I also really like Bhane. I think that's Sonam Kapoor's husband's brand. They are into denims, and like they're into denim wear, and I think you only get that on Cooves, if I'm not wrong. Another website that I would like to talk to you guys about is SR Store. I have not really tried their pieces, but again, it's a very trendy shop. You can check out their Instagram page as well. Most of the pieces come very close to what Shein had or Shein used to sell. I mean, there were few pieces that I saw on SR Store. The exact same pieces I had already seen on Shein. So if you want, definitely check out SR Store. Again, the price point is similar, 400 to 700, 800, depending on what you're getting. But yeah, starts from 400, I think. Talking about accessories, I know a lot of people loved Shein accessories since they were cheap. But let me tell you guys, I have so many accessories and like so many necklaces, so many bracelets and earrings from Shein, and let me break it to you guys, it is not at all good quality. I mean, they oxidize pretty quickly, which I don't like. So a better alternative is H&M. I have never really shopped from Accessorize. A lot of people say it's expensive, and I think that's why I did not shop from them. But H&M has like really good neck pieces. I love them. Lastly, I'm just going to talk to you guys about footwear. Now for footwear, most affordable and something that I shop a lot from is SSS, which is street style store, I think, but they take like a month and a half to deliver your products. I think that's like the only downfall. Otherwise, everything else, I really like the quality. The prices are amazing. You get flats for like 300 rupees, so that is incredible. Like usually I just go on to SSS, look for flats. I also really like how stylish they are, and also they just know, like they change their collection with the trend, which is amazing. So yeah, you can check it out. It's very affordable and you wouldn't regret it. And if you talk about heels, I think my go-to shop has to be Ajio. I love them. They are so good. But I would like to tell you that I got heels this time, and they did say that it's made in China, so now I don't know what it's going to be like. So those are all of my favorite brands and my go-to stores. I love them, and I really hope that you like them too. So yeah, just go explore. Shopping is all about fun. I wouldn't say that there's one specific store that you can go and you'll be like, oh, I like everything. It's not going to happen. So it's all about exploring. I think that's exactly why shopping is fun, because you get to explore, at least in my opinion. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video and also found it helpful. If you did, then you know the drill. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, as it would mean a lot to me, because this took me 2 days of research and 2 days of digging my closet. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And that being said, I will definitely see you next time. Bye.
Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan. Stick to the plan. Ask me how I do it, I just stick to the plan.